Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about TREVI Therapeutics. Now this is one of the stock which looks quite promising as far as the levels are concerned, and I have already made I think couple of videos on this 1 or 2 months ago. It is not performing for the last 2 or 3 months, that is quite right, but you need to focus on the trend and how this stock is saving its movement quite gracefully and holding on to its gain that it has made from the lows of 2022 and has already moved like 700% and looks quite comfortable, looks indeed quite comfortable. So if you haven't yet watched my previous videos, go and check it out. I have already said this thing and I'm going to say it again. The trend looks quite promising, so let's check out the trend forward or the way forward. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now on the downside, you have your immediate support at $2 and you have your stop loss at 1.93. so these are the next two levels on the downside, and this is what one must focus on. So 2 and 1.93 is going to be your next two support levels on the downside, whereas 1.93 is anyways going to be your stop loss. So please do not go below 1.9 on the downside, and any further move will only happen if it continues to sustain above $2, which is the case right now, which means we will move to our next target, which is going to be 3.83. so this is going to be our next target on the upside as far as the chart is concerned. Now what lies beyond 3.83 is the question. So if you are looking at this particular chart, and if you can see what levels are we going to look at as far as the trend is concerned, and they will be 5.9 and 8.6, right? So you have three specific targets right now because the chart looks completely limited and we have a very limited amount of data going forward, so we can't go beyond the range. But even if there is less upside, the chart looks quite strong, and if trend works out, let me tell you that 8.6, 8.68 or 8.7 will just be a small hurdle and the stock can go way beyond than this, but that's a later part of the story. Right now the chart looks very strong and we have three important targets to look at, starting with 3.8 and can go up to 8.68 or $8.7 on the upside with a strict stop loss of $1.9. so this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.